Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. In today's video, I will show you how to manage your iPhone data in a very simple way. If you want to transfer photos, videos, contacts, messages, music, notes, WhatsApp data, Safari data, app data, or other important files from your iPhone to computer, from computer to iPhone, or from one phone to another phone, this video is for you. In this video, you will also learn how to transfer WhatsApp data from one phone to another phone. So if you are switching to a new iPhone or moving from Android to iPhone, you can move your WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, voice messages, documents, and other WhatsApp data in a simple step-by-step way. Many people try to use wireless methods like AirDrop, cloud storage, or manual sharing. These methods are fine for a few files, but if you have thousands of photos, videos, or large files, it can take a lot of time. So in this video, we are going to use a computer. This method is usually faster, more stable, and easier when you want to manage a large amount of iPhone data. For this tutorial, I am using Wondershare MobileTrans. MobileTrans is a phone data transfer, backup, and restore tool. It helps you transfer data between iPhone, Android, Windows PC, and Mac. You will find the official download link in the video description. MobileTrans is available for Windows and Mac. There is also a mobile app version for iOS and Android, but in this video, I am using the computer version because it is better for managing large files and full phone data. After downloading the setup file, open it and install MobileTrans on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the software. Here you can see the interface is very simple and easy to understand. You do not need any technical knowledge. Everything is divided into clear sections. Let me quickly explain what you can do with this software. You can transfer data from one phone to another phone. For example, you can transfer data from iPhone to iPhone, iPhone to Android, Android to iPhone, or Android to Android. With WhatsApp transfer, you can transfer WhatsApp data between phones. You can transfer WhatsApp chats and other WhatsApp data. Another useful feature is backup and restore. With backup and restore, you can back up your iPhone or Android data to your computer and later restore that backup to your phone. This is very useful if you want to keep your data safe before resetting your phone, changing your phone, or updating your device. You can back up different types of data like photos, videos, contacts, messages, music, call history, calendar, apps, data where supported, and WhatsApp data. There is also an option to view or restore data from an iTunes backup. Now let's come to the main part of this video. WhatsApp transfer. If you are switching from one phone to another and you want to move your WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, voice messages, documents, stickers, and other WhatsApp data, this feature can help you transfer everything in a simple way. Here you can see we have different options for WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. So first, choose the correct app type. If you are using normal WhatsApp, select WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp Business, select WhatsApp Business. This is important because normal WhatsApp data should be transferred to normal WhatsApp, and WhatsApp Business data should be transferred to WhatsApp Business. Now, after selecting WhatsApp, MobileTrans gives us different options. The first option is transfer. This option is used when you want to transfer WhatsApp data directly from one phone to another phone. For this, connect both phones to the computer using USB cables. One phone will be shown as the source device and the second phone will be shown as the destination device. The source device is the phone where your WhatsApp data is already available. The destination device is the phone where you want to move your WhatsApp data. If the phones are showing in the wrong direction, you can use the flip button to change the source and destination. Before starting, make sure WhatsApp is installed on the destination phone, but do not register or set it up completely yet. Just install the app and keep the device ready. Now select the WhatsApp data types you want to transfer. You may see options like chats, photos, videos, audio, documents, stickers, and other WhatsApp attachments. Select the data you want to move and then click Start. Now, MobileTrans will begin transferring WhatsApp data from the old phone to the new phone. The second option is transfer and merge. This option is useful if you already have WhatsApp data on the destination phone and you do not want to completely replace it. With transfer and merge, MobileTrans can help merge WhatsApp data from the old phone with the data already available on the new phone. The third option is drive transfer or cloud backup transfer. This is useful when your WhatsApp WhatsApp backup is saved in Google Drive or iCloud. For example, if you are an Android user, your WhatsApp backup is usually saved in Google Drive. If you are an iPhone user, your WhatsApp backup may be saved in iCloud. If iCloud backup is enabled inside MobileTrans, you can sign into the related account like Google Drive or iCloud and check available WhatsApp backups. After that, you can select the backup and restore or transfer the data to your device depending on the supported option. This is very useful when your old phone is not available, but your WhatsApp backup is saved in the cloud. So basically, MobileTrans gives you multiple ways to handle WhatsApp data. Now, I will also show you how to transfer photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, and other important iPhone data between your iPhone and computer. First, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked. If you see a Trust this computer message on your iPhone, tap Trust and enter your iPhone passcode. Now, MobileTrans should detect your iPhone. Once the iPhone is detected, go to the Phone to PC section. For example, you can choose photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, and other supported data types. Now select photos. If you want to transfer photos or videos from your computer to your iPhone, use the import option. Choose the photos or videos from your computer. After selecting the files, MobileTrans will start importing them to your iPhone. So remember this difference. Export means iPhone to computer. Import means computer to iPhone. If you want to save your iPhone photos on your PC, use export. If you want to copy photos or videos from your PC to your iPhone, use import. This is very simple and useful. Now let's quickly look at the phone-to-phone transfer option. If you have two phones, connect both phones to the computer using USB cables. MobileTrans will show one phone as the source device and the other phone as the destination device. If the direction is wrong, you can use the flip option to switch source and destination. Now select the data types you want to transfer. For example, you can select contacts, photos, videos, music, messages, and other supported data. After selecting the data, click Start. MobileTrans will transfer the selected data from one phone to the other phone. This is useful when you are switching from an old iPhone to a new iPhone, from Android to iPhone, or from iPhone to Android. There is also a View Once recovery option inside MobileTrans. This option is designed for recovering View Once media in supported situations. Another useful feature is contacts management. If you have duplicate contacts on your phone, you can use MobileTrans to manage contacts and merge duplicates. This makes your contact list cleaner and easier to manage. So instead of using many different tools for different tasks, MobileTrans gives you one simple interface for transfer, backup, restore, and data management. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and press the bell icon for more iPhone tutorials, iOS fixes, data transfer guides, and software reviews. Thanks for watching. This is iOS Pro Hacker, and I'll see you in the next video.